In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Threads app on Android. Threads is a text-based social media app linked to Instagram, designed for quick updates, following your favorite creators, and joining real-time conversations. If you're ready to get started, I'll walk you through the easiest way, plus an alternative if the Play Store isn't an option for you. Before we begin, a couple of quick checks will save you time. You'll need an Instagram account to log into Threads, since the app is connected to Instagram. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the download doesn't pause or fail, and confirm you have enough storage space on your device for a new app. If the app doesn't appear in search results later, updating your Android version in your device settings can help it show up correctly. The recommended method is through the Google Play Store. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Tap the search bar at the top and type Threads. In the results, look for the official listing labeled Threads by Instagram or Meta. Selecting the correct developer ensures you're getting the genuine app. Once you've found it, tap Install. The download may take a moment depending on your connection speed. When the installation finishes, tap Open to launch the app right away. When Threads opens, you'll be prompted to log in using your Instagram account. This keeps your profile connected and helps you find people you already follow. From there, you can explore posts, follow creators, and join conversations. If you ever run into delays during installation, double-check your Wi-Fi or mobile data and confirm there's enough free storage by removing files or apps you no longer need. If you can't use the Play Store, there's an alternative: downloading the APK file. Open your mobile browser and go to the official Threads website or a trusted APK site. Then download the APK file from a reputable source only. This part is important. There are many imitations out there, and downloading from unverified sites can expose your device to fake or unsafe apps. Sticking to well-known trusted sources helps keep your phone secure. That's it. With a stable connection, enough storage, and the right app listing, you'll have Threads installed in just a few minutes. Start with the Play Store for the smoothest experience and only turn to the APK route if you truly can't access the store. Enjoy exploring Threads and joining the conversation connected to your Instagram world.